What's going on, everybody? Once again, here we are on a trade. This actually, I was very patient for this trade. I've been waiting for this for the QQQ to hit a downtrending channel that we've been following all along for the past couple of weeks. I'm currently short from the highs. First of all, I do want to read a quick passage. First Timothy 6:17 says, "Command those who are rich not to be arrogant, nor put their hope in wealth." So basically, guys, what that means is that it is not wrong to be rich. There's nothing wrong with having money. All these things about my misconception about some people thinking that you gotta be poor to be humble. That is not the case. The Lord wants you to be wealthy. He wants you to be rich. The wrong part about this would be if you're arrogant and if you put your hope in wealth, meaning that money is all you want. All right, that is not that. So there's nothing wrong with being wealthy as long as you don't love money. You're not in love with money. That's what it is. Anyways, guys, that was a quick verse that I wanted to teach you guys and show you. Now here onto the charts. We are currently on a downtrend on the QQQ from the highs. It's been a downtrend since pretty much all the month of February. We are currently hitting this downtrend channel. I was waiting for some confirmations. I know we had a big push in the morning. The good thing about looking at the higher time frames is that you will not get tricked by this push that happened in the morning, think that it's going to go up all day long. Now, what we saw in the 1 minute chart was huge rejections from this area. We have a rejection right here, then we have a rejection right here. So what I was waiting for is another test of these highs, which we did get and did not break actually. And then as soon as I saw this little red candle in the 1 minute chart, that's when I executed my entry. If you guys see here, I went ahead and got in those levels on the 1 minute chart right here, right after we saw that. What I'm thinking that will happen is that we are going to test this area over here at least. I mean, you guys can already picture if right here and there, if you draw a line, this is already breaking the trend. It already broke the trend a while ago. So we'll go ahead and put our target over here. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up. I know this trade might take a little bit longer than 15-20 minutes. It might take the rest of the day, but what we are looking at also in the hourly chart is formation. So usually when we are in a downtrend channel, if we hit, for example, a green candle and then we hit a red candle that erases that, then the next candle should come and break this uptrend channel that we have. Now if we do that, I am thinking that this can actually reverse itself and end up over here at the end of the day. We'll see what happens. Obviously we don't know exactly what's going to happen. Also with the SPY, we're looking at the same thing. Downtrend channel hitting over here. There's a green candle. Now we're looking at the next candle, which should be red. Hopes of being red. And then the next one should break, and we are going to probably erase all this push that we had today. So we'll see what happens, guys. Let's go ahead and pause this. I'll put it on pause, and we'll speed it up. Let's go, guys. We keep moving. This is crazy, man. This is amazing. All the glory to God. Gives me the wisdom, gives me the patience. If it was just me, I would not be able to do this, guys. Trust me on that one. Let's trail very close this. Let's trade candle by candle. Because now the SPY is hitting those lows. We're about to end 1 hourly candle. So there might be a little short squeeze before getting another leg down. So let's go ahead and take this profit. This is an amazing trade again. All the glory goes to God. We're already coming into those levels that we were talking about down here. We don't want a big bounce. There's no need for that. Almost 500 bucks with one contract. That is just crazy. So we're most likely gonna get stopped out here unless we keep going crazy downwards, and we'll see what happens. We have 1 minute left until the next hourly candle closes, and like I told you guys before, what I was expecting was the move down here from that channel. It looks like we are going to close down here, but we are coming into this little level of support, so there's really no need for me to hold this any longer. However, what I will look for though is in the overnight session, we do close here and the other candle doesn't go straight down. Maybe if we get a little pullback to here, I will take another short position. Let's see what happens. We're going candle by candle. Our stop is around here. I know I should probably put it around here, but I'm not gonna take, I'm not gonna give back my profits. There's no need for that. I'm already up enough. Greed is also bad, guys, so you gotta take profit when you know that you should. We're about to take profit now. I'm perfectly fine if we get stopped out up there on the 90s, 92s. Let's see what happens. Maybe we keep dropping, maybe not. We'll see. Here we go. Here we go. All right, guys. It looks like we are going to get stopped. Right about.
Stop filled.
All right, guys. Again, fabulous trade. Thanks again for watching. I really hope you guys received something. All the glory again is to God. Here was the change of the hour. That's why we got that spike. But anyways, amazing trade, guys. Again, if it wasn't for me giving my life to Him and being able to pray every morning before I take my trades, then I wouldn't be able to do this, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you like it, please subscribe, leave a comment. Appreciate your time. See you guys in the next one.